Hi, my name is Romel Angelo Gilio Apalit. You can call me Mel for short. I'm 54 years old but still strong and active. I finished as far as third year college, majoring in management. I'm married but I'm already separated a long time ago. Right now, I have a living partner and we've been happily together for 11 years. She works also in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I have only one sister and I'm the eldest. I have a daughter and she's already 27 years old and she is a psychology graduate and she works here as an HR officer in the Philippines. For my work experience, my first job and my longest one is working with Jollibee. So I worked in Jollibee for 18 years as a crew leader, a crew trainer, and a store maintenance crew. So after Jollibee, I used my experience, my 18-year experience to work in Canada. So I worked in Canada as a food counter attendant. I worked there in a convenience store, rather in a gas station with a convenience store and a small A&W restaurant. So sometimes I work as a staff in the convenience store and sometimes I make burgers in the A&W restaurant. I also had a chance to drive in Canada. So I acquired a license, my driving license in Canada. And I also had a chance to make a long 14-hour drive back and forth to Vancouver from Edmonton. So for my driving experience, I've been driving since I was 18 years old here in the Philippines. So after Canada, I also had a chance to work under Uber. I use my car and register it under Uber so I can drive around in the Philippines. In Manila, to drive around my clients or my riders or my customers. So I also know how to take care of pets. I'm a pet lover, and also I know how to do the household chores, gardening, and I can also do simple handyman works. So that's my profile. So thank you for taking time watching my introduction video, and hopefully I'm looking forward to working for you as your driver. So thank you.